Hello everybody! NASA has recorded majestic sounds in space. What you hear will amaze you. What happens when a spaceship is used to record radio waves from planetary environments that are then converted to sounds? Some space vehicles have instruments capable of capturing radio emissions. What you hear is the result of scientific converting these waves into sound waves. Devices on NASA probes Voyager, HAWKEYE were used to record the vibrations of various solar system objects. Recorded sounds are complex interaction between the electromagnetic particles of the solar wind, ionosphere and planetary magnetosphere. The sounds obtained are amazing. Nothing has been added or corrected. These are beautiful sounds that emerge from the space around us. Enjoy listening. See you. Bye.